What's up guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another hair video for you guys and we are going to be switching things up a bit and we are going to be trying a Twaid out. Now you're probably like, what the hell is a Twaid out? So a Twaid out is basically a mixture between a braid out and a twist out. And I first saw this on Kimberly Cherrell's Instagram as well as her YouTube channel. You guys know I'm a huge fan of her and I will link her video down in the description box so you guys can check it out. But basically it's where you start like you're doing a braid out but then you finish in a twist. And I think the whole purpose of this is just to get more of a stretched look. And I'm really excited to be trying it out. You guys know we do a lot of wash and goes, a lot of braid outs as well as a lot of twist outs. So I figure we'll switch it up and do something different on my channel today. Before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So as far as products are concerned, I'm kind of stuck between these two products. Now, Afro Sheen just launched a bunch of new styling products and they did send me everything. So shout out to Afro Sheen, thank you so much. But I have the Crown Defining Curl Cream and then I have the Slick Back Cream Styler. So I'm not too sure which one would be better. This one says it defines and hydrates, but this one says it smooths and holds. So I feel like I kind of supposed to do both. Because I mean, I want to define and hydrate, but I also want to smooth and hold the look. So I don't know. I already have a leave-in conditioner in. I have in the Dr. Bronner's Lavender Coconut Organic Hair Creme. And I actually did a full wash day using Dr. Bronner's. Now, if that video is not already up, it will eventually be up. But if it's up, you guys are going to see it in the description box as well as the cards of this video. Okay, so you can check it out and hear my thoughts on using Dr. Bronner's hair care. Oh, I think I want to use this. I think I want to use the Slick Back Cream Styler. Now, you guys can see here the consistency of this styler is like I'm sticking my finger in, which I feel like means it's gonna give me a good like twist out, braid out kind of look. So we're gonna go with that one. I think it's gonna be awesome for this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. You guys know the routine. We start with like a section, we see how it goes, and if it's working then we just speed through the rest. So I'm gonna take this section here. I think I want to split these in two. Yeah, we're gonna split these in two. We're gonna pin this out the way. Like I said, my leave-in conditioner is already in. I just want to rake my fingers through, make sure we're nice and detangled. So this is the consistency of this product. I really like it. It's super creamy. I feel like it's gonna really hook up my hair right now. So I just want to smooth this in. Because I want my hair really smooth, I'm just gonna take my Tangle Teaser and just gently detangle, because we want this to be really smooth. Okay, and so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with 3 strands, like so. You go over here, and we're gonna start braiding like we're doing a braid out. Guess we're gonna go like halfway down. Gonna smooth out these ends again. And then I'm just going to combine, I guess, the middle strand with one strand, and then I'm just gonna start twisting. So just twist down like you're doing a twist out now. So we're starting off with a braid, and then we're twisting down. Now, I wanted to try this myself because it looked absolutely amazing on Kimberly, but her hair texture and type is much different than mine. So I felt like I might get different results, you never know. So I'm just gonna twist this all the way down. And then I'm gonna just coil the ends around my finger like so. So that's what it's looking like. That looks pretty good, I guess. So let's just go ahead and do the next one. I do feel like when I do braid outs, my hair is a lot more stretched than when I do twist outs. So I really do feel like this is going to give me a twist out look, but just a lot more stretched out, which is gonna be pretty cute, I think. And I'm stop right around here. I'm gonna smooth, and I'm just gonna twist. All right, guys, so this is what they are looking like. I feel like this is gonna come out super cute, like a really, really good Twaid out. That's such a funny word. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head basically, and I'll come back when we're almost finished and we're gonna see what this Twaid out looks like. Okay guys, so I am finished putting in the Twaid out and I feel like it's gonna come out really good. My hair looks super juicy and I can already feel a little bit of hold, so I'm guessing this is going to last a pretty long time. So I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer and let this dry, and we are going to come back to take this down and see what we got. Okay guys, so I am back and my hair is fully dry. It's been 2 days. There was no rush for me to take it out. So now it's time to see what this Twaid out looks like. So I have the Afro Sheen 3-in-1 Nourishing Oil. I figured why not just keep it in the Afro Sheen family. And I'm just going to coat my hands with this to prevent any frizzing and give me some additional shine too. So I'm just gonna put this on like it's lotion, and we're gonna see what this looks like. So I'm guessing we can just unravel it like we do a twist out and then pull it apart like we do a braid out once we get to the part where the braid meets the twist. Okay, so this is what we have. Looks really pretty. Let's keep going. I do want to say that this oil smells really, really good. If you're looking for a new oil, I definitely would probably recommend this one because it smells amazing. All right, that whatever that was that we used, I can't even remember the name of it, but whatever that was that we used for this twist and braid out, oh my gosh, do you guys see this? Damn, that looks good. Why do we have to be quarantined right now? I want to go outside. My hair looks so pretty. Look at this. Oh my god, that looks so good. My hair has not looked this good in a long time. Damn, that looks good. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do half my head because my camera's gonna die, and I'll be back when we're almost finished. I don't want to waste too much time, but you guys kind of already see what it's looking like. I'm excited. I cannot wait to fluff and see the full outcome. It's gonna look so good. Well, hopefully. Alright guys, so I am all separated and fluffed, and I will say I really do like my hair. However, I don't feel like it gave me much of a different outcome than just a regular twist out. Maybe because I didn't braid far enough down. I will say my hair does look a little bit more stretched. So if you are someone who does not like putting a blow dryer to your roots but want a more stretched out twist out, then you can definitely do the Twaid out. So just braid the roots and twist the ends. But my hair does look really nice. I do like the outcome of it. I will say say this Afro Sheen Slick Back Cream Styler is amazing. My hair smells so good. It feels really, really soft, and it definitely gave me some hold. So I highly recommend that product as well as the oil. So if you guys are looking for new twist out or braid out products, definitely pick those up from Afro Sheen because they are really, really, really good. And yeah, guys, that's going to conclude today's video. I really hope you did enjoy it. Please comment down below if you will try a Twaid out or if you've already tried it. I would love to hear your experiences as well as your thoughts. And yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe on your way out. Bye.